What's up guys, we are back with another video. In today's video, this is going to be part 2 of Widebody in my G37. If you guys haven't already, go check out the first video where we installed all 4 sides of the Widebody kit. We still got to do some trimming to the front bumper and the rear quarter panel, but we're going to get this front fender molded today. Pulled the G up, doing some sanding, about to put the Digimoto on the charger while we get some more of that sanded. But let me know what you guys think. The Widebody kit is definitely looking crazy. Extra screw in there just to make sure all of the panel bond was bonded to the car. And now we just wait. Then we're just kind of cleaning up the excess plastic razor. So we don't have a bunch of rubbery stuff left over. Got all the excess. We're gonna be molding it in one piece, which should look pretty crazy once it's finished. But this is definitely making progress. Sheesh. Had to put an extra screw because there was kind of a gap here, but that one screw fixed it up real quick. And we're gonna go back and fill all the holes anyway. Now that we kind of have an idea of how to do it, we're gonna move on to the driver's side, take the panel off, sand it all down, bond it again. On the front, just getting that fronts knocked out, and then that way next time we work on it, we can just start molding the Bondo to make it look like one piece. Alright guys, so we're actually going to have to do this fender another day, only because the cheap panel bond gun I got just destroyed the 3M panel bonder. So I just ordered a new set with a 3M panel bond gun. When it comes in on Sunday, we'll finish this fender. This thing is definitely coming along. We also fixed the side skirt fitment in the front on both sides. This side is completely bonded. By tomorrow we should be able to take these screws out and see how it is, and we can really start molding it to the car. And I'm super excited for how this thing turns out. So far, definitely looking good. Doesn't look like there's any gaps or anything like that, which, I mean, for a first time, I'm pretty proud of it. We're we're gonna go back and fill the holes in anyway. We're gonna go ahead and put this driver wide body flare on the front just for now, and then continue this on Sunday. Just like that, put the fender back on, and yeah, I can't wait to bond this side too. So I will continue this video on Sunday when the stuff comes in. We're also going to be working on an LC500 and a crazy fade wrap. So make sure you guys check that out. If it works.
Looking good, looking good.
Last screw, it's on there. It's on there. For sure. That's what I'm talking about. There's no screws. Just gotta fill in some holes. Too much sanding. That's all the sanding I really gotta do for that. Alright, get the alcohol, spray it down real quick. A lot more holes than I wanted to put in there, but we're gonna go back and bondo it anyway, so it really don't matter. got this side molded. Had to put some more screws in for this side to get it 100%, but hey, whatever works. We're gonna go back in and Bondo it anyway. This one's gonna be coming out real soon on the channel, and this one turned out insane. LC500 with the custom gloss black hood design, and we murdered out the back, left the chrome at the bottom. Tail lights looking